It's a rainy December afternoon, the kind of day that calls for cozy productivity, and I'm starting my downstairs reset before my husband gets home from work. Today, I'm beginning my afternoon reset with the kitchen, a bit out of my usual order, but I've been struggling to keep up with the dishes lately. This December has been especially cold and dark, leaving me feeling a bit unmotivated and weighed down, but tackling the kitchen first will help me feel grounded, creating a fresh and welcoming space for dinner prep later. This simple change reminds me that flexibility in our routines can ease stress and align with a slower, more intentional way of living. I'm taking my time as I clean, appreciating the small but impactful act of bringing order to this space. Slow and simple living is about finding peace in the ordinary, and today that peace starts at the kitchen sink. Next, I'm tidying the living room. While I'm at it, I decided to honor my husband's request to clean the couch, a task I've been putting off for about a couple of weeks. This isn't just about cleaning, it's an act of care and love for our home and family. I'm starting by stripping the couch covers to toss in the wash, then sprinkling baking soda on the cushions to refresh them. While the baking soda absorbs odors, I'll tidy the floors and then vacuum the couch. A slow and simple mindset reminds me that even these small acts of care have a ripple effect, creating a calmer and more inviting space for everyone. After the living room, I move on to tidying the dining area and wiping down the table. It's a small task, but one that helps set the stage for family meals and conversations, a cornerstone of a slower, more connected lifestyle. Next, I'm tackling the high traffic floors, vacuuming the main areas, then mopping the kitchen and dining room. These floors see the most action, so giving them extra attention on a daily basis keeps things feeling clean and manageable. The rhythmic motion of cleaning is grounding, almost meditative, and it reminds me how a little daily effort can simplify the upkeep of our home. Finally, the couch covers are clean and dry, so I'm wrapping up this afternoon's downstairs reset by putting the clean couch covers back on the cushions. With the downstairs reset nearly complete, I'll be taking a few quiet minutes before dinner to settle in with a warm cup of chai tea and Anne of Avonlea. It's a small but meaningful pause that reminds me to savor life's simple pleasures. It wasn't the most relaxing start. One of my kids borrowed my bookmark and it took me a moment to find my place. But once I did, I felt the calm settle in as I became enveloped in the story.
Wait,
Where's my bookmarker?
bookmarker.
Did somebody steal my bookmark?
No.
Yeah, somebody did. Hey, I read that. Okay. I'm further along than I thought.
Wait, maybe I didn't. Oh, wait.
Living slowly and simply means finding beauty in both the work and the rest, in the cleaning and the quiet moments that follow. Today, as I work to climb out of the darkness that early winter often brings, I've embraced both.